Hey, what's up everyone? It's Cheeto back again with another video for your cool Amazon Echo. The skill I'm going to be going over today is called 4AFart. Of course, it's just for amusement, entertainment. Of course, what else is the Amazon Echo for? Amusement, news, entertainment, whatever you can use it for. But yeah, so it's called 4AFart. So you open your Amazon Echo app, go to skills, and then just do a search for it. So let's get this started. Again, it's like asking the Echo to ask someone else. So we'll go, Alexa, ask for a fart. Wow, that one's good. So let's try again. Alexa, ask for a fart. Alexa, ask for a fart. Alexa, ask for a fart. So what you could do is just like turn it up louder. And if you're near, the Echo and someone else is coming in, maybe in the door or something, or just about to sit down, you could whisper, Alexa, ask for a fart. So there's various farts. I've only been playing with this thing for about a minute, so I don't know how many other farts or if there will be any added. I don't even know if I'll just keep this thing enabled. Probably though, just for amusement and tease people or whatever. But there you go. There's your quick video this time around. Check back for more videos on the Amazon Echo. Thanks for watching.